Okay, good morning, students.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Now our class is start. You think? Listen here. You have to prove x square minus y square equal to ax plus y and x minus y. Okay? Place of x, we can use a square minus b square also equal to a plus b and a minus b. Why I have written that? Because I have already written a and b. Place of a and b, you can write x and y also, m and n also, anything, any letter you can suppose to write. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And by the diagram means picture, with the help of picture, how can you prove a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b? This is very easy to prove. If you multiply both the multiple, it will come a square minus b square. That is multiplication method. But how can you prove? By representing picture, by representing mathematics document, mathematics stool. Look here. I have a square piece of cartoon paper. Is it a square piece? And it's just look like first figure. Exactly the first figure. Yes? And here is one corner part is color, but I am also going to make it color. Okay. Clear? Clear? Now ABCD is a square figure. A square means all sides are equal. And if length is A, length of one side is A, this is equal to all sides. If this is A, this is also A, this is also A, this is also A. Clear? And area of a square is L square. Area of a square is A square. I have written here A, that's why A square here should have. If I had written L, it should have L square. One small square part is cut. Let its length is B. Because of a square, its all side become B. Its all side become B. Same as this paper. Same as this paper. Clear? And the problem related with figure, I think you have already taught. Find the area of shaded region, find the area of remaining region. No. Then area of white region. Area of white region. White region means which is not color. Or you can say area of remaining region. How do you find in algebraic method? Is first of all find the area of a square, big square, which is A square, and subtract area of a small region, which is dark, which is black, and its area is B square. Can I write this much?
Yes, sir.
Can I write this much?
Yes.
And the piece of paper, what I have, let's remove it, cut and throw it. This is black region. What I have removed it. Now, after figure first, it's look like figure second. Yes? Is it exactly of second picture? And this length AD equal to A. Yes? Length of AD is A. And how much did you cut? B. How much did you cut? B. Then what is the length? Remaining length. Remaining length means this remaining length. Total minus what you cut. Total minus what you cut. What was total? A. And how much did you cut? B. That what should be the remaining value? Total minus cotted value. Cot value means A minus B. What is length of this now? Total is A, and this part you have cot. B value you have cot. Means A minus B is remaining length. A minus B is remaining length. A minus B is remaining length. From this part, this corner to this corner, cut down and make it 2 pieces. You know which part it become? A minus B means this is A minus B. Clear? Now I am going to cut it. Now I have 2 pieces of paper. It is look like this. Look here. Look here. Like this. It was like this. It was like this. After cutting, it become 2 pieces, and when you arrange it, it is not same shape. It is different shape. Can I arrange like this? Can I arrange like this?
Yes, sir.
And after arranging, can I join it? This is picture number 4. Yes? First number was a square. Second number, after removing this part, it become like this. Third number, from here to there, separate, it become 2 parts. After that, by folding, I arrange it. Is it like this? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes.
After arranging like this, it looks like rectangle. It's look like rectangle. Now, rectangle. But in the rectangle shape, this A minus B is A minus B. This breadth is A minus B. This breadth is A minus B. And this is A, no? Then this is also A. Same. This is also A. Same. Means this is also A. This much is only A. Up to here is only A, no? This same part is replaced, transferred to here. Clear? Means up to here is A. Up to here is A. And when I had arranged it like that, this part is here, no? Is it part here?
Yes, sir.
Let's see. This one was B part. Look here. This one was B part. This part is this. This part is B. Is it part B? Is it part B?
Yes.
And this part, after folding, this part is here. And which part is B? Is here written B? Which is like that. Yes? Yes? Means this is B. Means what is total length? A plus B. Length is A plus B. Breadth is A minus B. Breadth is A minus B. Then look here. One part is A plus B. Other part is A minus B. This is A plus B, A plus B. A minus B, A minus B. Clear? Clear? And you know that what is breadth?
A minus B.
A minus B. What is length?
A plus B.
Are you clear how it comes? How length is A plus B? How breadth is A minus B? And we know that because of it is a rectangle, area of a rectangle is L into B. Means A plus B into A minus B. A square equal to A square minus B square equal to A square minus B square equal to
A plus
A plus B into A minus B root. This is the method of diagram. This way you can prove a square minus b square with the help of diagram, by representing diagram. Clear or not? Clear? Yes. Other formula also you can prove like this way. This is a special method. Experimentally I have proved it by using, this is called mathematics tools. सामानहरु हो यो, यस्ता सामानहरु युज गरेर प्रुभ गरियो भने स्पष्ट हुन्छ, राम्ररी बुझिन्छ। क्लियर? ओके, थ्यांक यू भेरी मच।